We're in Ghana, Volta Region. And as we come in, here's the cocoa tree again.
And this is cocoa tree. This is cocoa tree.
Coming into a clearing, we're going to the waterfall. But look at this, it's beautiful.
Yep.
Beautiful. Look at this heavy.
Yes.
This was cut down at some point in time.
Yes.
They have these trees in Gambia here.
This is coffee.
Uh-huh.
This is coffee.
Oh, this coffee?
Yeah.
What, this tree?
Yeah. No, this very one.
Oh, this one. This is the coffee.
Yes.
So we got the hot chocolate over here, and then we got a coffee right here, coffee beans.
You can see the bean.
Look at this. All right. So those are products. I love products. We got coffee and cocoa.
Yeah.
Two widely consumed items. Globally consumed. Well, I'm here and I'm listening and I can see this beautiful river that's going. Back there, there's a nice little inlet. I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. However, my guide was sharing with us that this path that we've been walking on for about 20 or 25 minutes to the waterfall is almost impassable. The day after Easter, when people from all over Africa, they come here to go to the falls. And this is the largest waterfall in Africa.
West Africa.
The largest, the tallest waterfall in West Africa. We drove hours to get here. Took us about 3 or 4 hours to get here. Now we've been walking for at least 25 minutes. We passed 2 of 9 bridges he said that we have to pass. So, all right. A little incline going down into the water. We gotta be careful. When it's raining, water comes down there, so that's a big outlet.
Through this channel.
Through that channel there.
Yeah.
It's an old shack that was here. But yes, we're on a nature walk today. Crazy nature walk.
And the velocity is very strong.
Strong, huh?
Very, very strong.
When it's coming. Just years, look at it. It's almost polished, like the surface. That's a particular rock. That's like I wonder what type of rock that is, but I see that type of rock. It's like a metallic, it has a metallic. Okay, huh? We are coming up on the 4th bridge right now. Okay. It's pretty sturdy. Wow. We are on an absolute adventure here in Ghana. Yes. So we cross bridge number. We are at the 5th bridge right now. We're at the 5th bridge. Yeah. 5th bridge, and you have to be careful with your steps. That's a little stairway right here. But this is the 5th one. This is the 4th or 5th? 4th. I lost count. Wow. I know a snake. Snakes live inside. There's a lot of snakes here, huh?
Once in a while. You can see one python.
What? You saw a python?
And then, vipers.
Vipers?
Yeah. And green members.
You will get a workout. We've been going for about 30 minutes now. You will get a workout, but it's well worth it. Well worth it to interact with nature. It's huge power. What bridge is this? Number 5 or 6?
6.
We're at 6,
Left 3.
and we have 3 more left as we make our way to the waterfall. The tallest waterfall in West Africa, here in Ghana, in the Volta region. Look at this. This gorgeous. Man, there's so many places that just natural, beautiful places. So we pass cocoa trees. We pass coffee. Man, you can get your own coffee, your own cocoa. Look how these ants are lined up. It's super weird. I've never seen anything like that. An ant highway, ant super duper highway. I am like sweating. I'm gonna have to drink plenty of water. But we've been trying to do as much as we can while we're here. Experience as much as we can. They're making it harder to travel. And I mean, the money we spend on just over $1,000 on COVID tests. That's just coming here with our group. But I spent $400. I had to pay $150 here. I'm gonna have to in Ghana to come in, and then I'm gonna have to pay $160 here to go out. But this is number 7 bridge. On this side. Prepare to get your workout.
And behind this mountain
Yes.
is Togo.
It's Togo.
Yeah.
Right behind this mountain is Togo.
Behind this mountain is Togo.
Wow.
Yeah, and this side is Ghana.
Okay.
So this is the demarcation.
Okay.
This is the
Wow. Could you get up there from this side?
It's beautiful, but getting there is difficult. It's
Wow.
4 hours walk
Wow.
before you get it.
This huge mountain wall is the barrier between Togo and Ghana. Is this a bridge too or no? This a plank? This a bridge?
No. This is the F bridge.
Number 8. And how many times have you been here?
Uncountable.
Uncountable, dang. With the current company you're working with?
Yeah, no, before
Before that?
before this company. And this company brought me a lot.
Okay. This company brought you a lot.
Yeah.
The people coming wanting to come here, of course,
Yeah,
right?
before COVID, every week I'm here. So it's COVID that stuff.
Yes.
You
See the
see the
waterfall right there.
You see bats?
I can see where it's starting to come down. This is where this water's coming from, huh?
Yeah.
So it start there. All of this water that you saw came from up there.
And there are a lot of bats and butterflies.
Really. It's a lot of birds and butterflies. As we cross bridge number, this the last one? 9. So this water actually came from up there, the waterfall. All this water. All right, good. We're coming into a clearing right now of the waterfall. I see everybody saying it's amazing. So let me see how amazing it is. Here we come. Oh, there you go. Nice.
I see the bats. So let's go down. You see
Man,
a lot of
wow. The tallest waterfall in West Africa. My eyes have seen the glory. My eyes have seen the glory. Africa. the land. We are in Ghana. Woo. We see there's people here too, but we're gonna original Asiatic. Here we go. Wow. And it's not even rainy season. Man, we could get in the water. Huh? Yeah.
Oh, that's a.
Wow, man. He wake up. Oh, yeah, well, how? Beautiful waterfall. We made it. We're just gonna sit here and enjoy it for a while.
This is River Agumatsa, and this was found in the 18th century by two hunters, and that's probably Adika and probably Americana. When going to the upper falls, you find one of the hunters' house on the way when you use the short route, and when you use the long route, you find the second hunter's house on the way. And at the top, you see that that's the main origin of the falls, because it flows through the rocks, and a lot of things are there. And when you enter the water, you see that the water, it forms some things on it, on like spoon, those way when you are bathing, you experience it. Some things on it, on like spoon, bowl, like that, form it on it.
Is what there?
You see a wooden design like a spoon. That is natural. Something that is in the water. So if you can go in, I'm going in.
You going in?
Yeah, I'm going in now.
Okay.
So if you can go in, let's go.
Okay.
Are you with your PE pants?
What? With my what? My boxes?
Liquor?
Yeah, boxer, yeah.
I ain't going there with my boxes?
Oh, thank you very much.
And the more you shout, the more the water flows.
We have the tallest waterfall in West Africa. We're about to get in this cold. It's cold. It's a little cold. It's okay, but it's rock down here. It's not sand. It's not sand. So we are about to go over. Our guide is over there chilling. Okay, so this comes into a little shallow. We're here in Ghana. Wow. We are here in Ghana chilling. So look at this guy. Jesus, really? I ain't doing all of that. Wow. Wow, I'm gonna get close though. I'm gonna get close. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Oh, look at that water up there. Look at that. Wow, we just got out. We just went in the water and it was just spectacular and all of that. So, wow. Look at that. They say at times when the water is coming down, even if you're standing here, you'll get wet. Even if you're standing over here. Look at the rainbow. When the sun shines through the cloud, it produces a rainbow. But we're here in the Volta Region in Ghana, West Africa. And it's just gorgeous. Look at this. So we have to trek back down. About 45 minutes, something like that. But just look at the rock. It reminds me of the rock at the statue in Senegal. the statue that we recently went to, and the base looks something similar to that. But we are in Ghana. Up there, I don't know if you can see it, but there's some bats up there. They're harmless. They eat mostly fruit and things like that, but you can see them up there. We went to an area that had a tree was full of bats. A whole tree. So we start our walk back down. If you're ever in Ghana, visit the waterfall here in the Volta region. If you're in Accra, that's going to be like a 4-hour drive. You know, so tomorrow we're going to the Green Castle. Wow, but this look.